I'm going to show you how to cancel your Sky Zone membership, so follow these steps. So first, go to the cancellation page. Open your web browser and go to defy.com/memberships/membership-cancellation. So here you can cancel both DeFi and Sky Zone memberships. Now scroll down and find the Modify Your Membership section. Select your park from the drop-down menu. If your park location isn't listed, visit your local park's website to cancel your membership. Next is to provide your first name, last name, email address, phone number, name of the member, and membership number. And then, if you have any additional memberships on your account that you would like to cancel, make sure to check the box and list every membership number. Any memberships not listed will remain active and continue to be billed. Finally, complete and submit the form to cancel your membership. Just an important reminder, it states here that members who signed up before May 6 at Peoria, Phoenix, or Scottsdale, Arizona can cancel their membership using this form as well. If you need further assistance, you may contact your local park for more information.